I've effectively been in the wine business my whole life. What I determined and discovered was that wine itself does not cost a lot to make, it costs a lot to sell. And that really informed the genesis of Cameron Hughes Wine. I was always looking for fantastic values. So when the time came to start my own company, I knew I had access through my connections to small lots of high-end wine that I could buy, bottle under my own label, and sell direct. As a wine trader, we have no winery, we have no vineyards, we have very little overhead, and that allows us to offer some of the best deals in the marketplace. I look through the millions of gallons of wine that are available. I pick out the needle in a haystack, and it's all about our contacts. We've been doing this now for 15 years, and we have some of the deepest reach in the business. People bring us their wines all the time when they have excess high-end wine. Anybody can put wine in the bottle and sell it to you online, but all we do is high-end wine at an amazing price.